guys, and welcome back. So I'm gonna eat this without my hands, this without my hands, and this without my hands. Hold on a second.
I used to joke he'd leave me for
I'll be
one.
back.
Should have known Nan would be around for life. So when he passed, we wanted to celebrate him his way. At Co-op, we know everyone is different. That's why we offer funeral plans to funeral services that are personal every step of the way.
So they're basically food streams.
Has left the castle.
So
And
got,
he'll be joining us in the studio for an exclusive interview. Plus, you're both to be
apple, strawberry and orange. So well, further notice. I accidentally used my. I ate all of them, but I had to swallow them. Oh my god.
You're right, we are. But right now we need to secure this area. We'll come and find you when we're ready, okay?
What?
Before you go, we're waiting for his employee records. I believe Mr. Sharma's on his way now. I don't suppose you know his next of kin.
Got a boyfriend, Aaron.
Do not get my feet in, Rob.
He has got a dad. I don't know where exactly.
Okay, thank you. Hopefully his details will be on file.
As soon as I could. Oh, Aaron, you can't bring up from the police like this.
That's it for today.
Right, have you finished with all this?